Hello YouTube, this is Tech Reviews by Greg, and today I'm going to be reviewing a portable charger that I recently picked up at Staples for around 20 bucks. Let's go a quick overview of what the box is. On the side it just tells you what all the contents are, which I will be unveiling to you in a few moments. On the back it just pretty much shows you how it all fits together. And then on this side, it kind of just shows you how much extra time you get for each device you want to plug into this charger. So let's jump right into this. It didn't take too long. So this is the actual device itself, where you'll be charging and using this as your extra battery. So let's set that aside for now. In this you get this nice little carrying pouch, pretty useful. So it comes standard with all your devices now. This is a USB that connects into the charger, and then this little thing will connect to all your different little connectors that go to all your other devices, which are in here. I guess I'll just dump those out. So in total, you get this connector, this connector, this connector, and this connector. I'll go over what those connectors actually are in the full review, but you get your user guide to it, and then you also get some other thing, which is telling me congratulations. I don't really feel like opening this. I will go over it more in the full review. But that is what you get with the Energizer portable charger. Thanks for watching, and for the full written review, go to the website at www.techreviewsbygreg.webs.com and check back here on my YouTube channel for a quick video review of it as soon as I'm able to get that up. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.